Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Valentino model, VA4057, in color code 5011/8H. It's light Havana gold color frame. On the temples here we have a gold V emblem for Valentino. And at the temple tip over here we have a gold accent. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. It also has the same on the other side of the temple with the gold detailing and the Valentino V emblem in gold. The lenses are a purple gradient color. The style of the frame is fashion butterfly. Up here we have a Valentino gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a manufacturer card, an authenticity booklet, and a pouch to put your glasses in.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.